There we go. Good day, this is Mike Olden with Lee Smith. Look forward to working with you on your next truck. I want to go ahead and share with you some information that we're gathering here at the Ford Commercial Trade Show. You want to reach me? Call me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email at molden@lee-smith.com. Now let's take a look under the hood of the Ford. What do we have here?
Hey, I'm Eric Eubanks with Cherokee Truck.
Today we got
a Vmac underhood compressor that can go from a 40 CFM to 135 CFM air compressor.
What does that mean to me?
It means you can run up to two 90-pound jackhammers. Be able to run any pneumatic tool that you may have a requirement for. This one here is a belt drive unit.
Okay.
It's made to fit the Ford. As you can see right here, everything will go in. We have to, tie it into the unit, the chassis itself.
Now, when you get it tied into the chassis, is there a specific bracket that comes from the manufacturer, or how does that bracket get put on the side of the engine?
Vmac supplies everything that I need to have for it.
Excellent. So where does it go from here? Where is it channeled to?
From that point, it comes back to the chassis, and there's your start. Your engine stop here.
Excellent.
And this one's going to ramp up as needed. So your engine speed will speed up to handle their
so it
your
controls the engine RPMs as it operates. Excellent.
Correct.
And then what happens when it gets from here? Does it flow to the back?
It flows to the back. You can, in this particular truck, it flows to the back. So you got your Chicago fitting here with air valves.
A Chicago fitting means what to those who may not know?
That's for your air hose.
Okay, so a quick connect.
Quick connect, yes.
I got you.
So now, I can put that at the front of the truck as well as the rear truck, and we can go wherever with it. If it's a service body bed, you tell me where you need it at, what makes sense. If you want to go with a flat bed and have a hose reel up under the flatbed under deck, we can do it that way.
Now tell me about the rest of the setup, because quite honestly, it looks like you have an external engine back here as well.
Yes, it's got a gas drive unit here.
And is this to an association with the Vmac, or what is this?
This is a separate unit. So if you didn't want to go to that unit there, you just need an air compressor. I can run this unit here.
Okay. And where's the tank that holds all the pressure itself at?
This one here is just a little small tank.
Okay, it's a small encapsulated tank on the side, using a Honda GX engine, a Vmac itself with the tank itself, like a half-gallon reservoir. So we have it running back to the valve bank at this particular point, or is it actually going into a pressure tank back?
It's going back to a different pressure tank with this demo unit that they have set up
to go ahead and do some different applications.
Separate applications.
Then what's this other item?
So this item here is a generator compressor combo.
Okay. So what kind of power does it put out?
You've got on the air side of it 45 CFM. On the generator side of it, 10 kW, 30 amps.
30 amp power.
Yes,
excellent.
30 amp power.
So again, we have both the Vmac compressor on the front. We have two different opportunities to bring different power to your work site. And again, we're going to couple this with the Ford.
Direct transmission mount. Same deal, I can put this up to a PTO. This unit here has hydraulics as well. So if you have a hydraulic tool circuit you need to run, plus pneumatic tools.
All right, and this will go on the transmission.
On the transmission.
For which manufacturers?
For this particular unit, Ford.
For Ford.
Yes.
And okay, so this is specifically for the Ford on the Ford transmission.
Yes.
That's incredible. Well, thank you again, Eric.
Yes, sir.
Unless there's more.
That is it.
Again, this is Mike Olden. I look forward to working with you to design the truck that meets your job today and in the future. Thank you very much, Eric. You can reach out to Eric via
Eric.Eubanks, ERIC.Eubanks, EUBANKS,
and the preferred
Cherokee Truck.
At Cherokee Truck, and the preferred phone number.
404-710-0344.
Excellent. Again, I look forward to working with you. Want to reach out to me, Mike Olden, please reach me at 423-618-3323. Shoot me an email at molden@lee-smith.com. Thank you.